Initialize empty Pandas series and conditionally add to it. I have a Pandas dataframe named X as shown below. I want to create an equation that adds up series from X based on whether that term from keep is true or false. The code below works. However, I can't get it to work if I initialize equation with an empty series and then add terms based on keep. When I try to do this I get NaN values. How can I do this?
If I understand correctly, you can using add plus fill underscore value equals 0.
If you want to see more,